Today we're going to talk about the Panasonic PT-VMZ61 WUXGA LCD laser projector, a high-end, cutting-edge solution for businesses and institutions looking to captivate their audiences with crystal-clear visuals. But before we dive in, let's consider this. How do you make a lasting impression in front of a room full of people when you're presenting critical information? And the stakes are high. We've all been there. We've all experienced that sinking feeling when, amidst a critical presentation, the projector falters and the room plunges into darkness. The problem, of course, is not just about the projector itself, but about the overall experience it provides. That's why Panasonic's PT-VMZ61 WUXGA LCD laser projector is such a game changer. Let's start with the first look at this powerhouse of a projector. At first glance, you'll notice its sleek and sturdy design. This device is built to last, with an impressive weight and sturdy feel to it that gives you confidence it'll withstand the rigors of frequent use. And that's exactly what you want in a projector meant for large venues and bright environments: reliability and dependability. In terms of usability, the PT-VMZ61 has it all. The interface is incredibly intuitive, making it a breeze to navigate even for those without extensive technical know-how. Connectivity options are ample and thoughtfully placed, ensuring you can hook up your devices easily and get started within minutes. And if you do need some extra guidance, a comprehensive quick start guide is included, so you can get up to speed right away. Now, let's delve deeper into the features that truly set this projector apart. First and foremost, we have that incredible WUXGA resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. This level of detail and precision is nothing short of stunning, providing crisp and clear images with accurate text and graphic rendering. You can rest assured that every presentation will be delivered with the utmost professionalism and sophistication. We also have the superior brightness of 6,200 lumens, which means this projector is not just capable of handling well-lit environments, but also excels in large venues. And with its laser light source, expect a significant reduction in maintenance and upkeep, a whopping 20,000 hours of maintenance-free operation. Let's talk real-world testing. Imagine yourself giving a speech at a corporate conference with several hundred attendees or hosting a training session at a large office space. The key is to make the presentation engaging and memorable, so the Panasonic PT-VMZ61 comes into its own. Projectors with lower resolutions may struggle to make an impression in such a scenario, but with this device, the clarity and color accuracy will grab the audience's attention and help keep them engaged. Performance-wise, the PT-VMZ61 won't let you down. With its advanced technology and robust design, it can easily keep up with even the most demanding content, whether we're talking high-definition movies, presentations, or interactive demos. As with any projector, there are trade-offs. For instance, this particular model has no built-in speakers, which may necessitate an external audio solution. When weighing the pros and cons, the list of benefits for this device far outweighs the drawbacks. Its WUXGA resolution delivers a visual experience unmatched by most projectors at this price point, and its laser light source ensures you'll be spared the headache of frequent maintenance. So, how does it compare to competing options in its class? Well, in direct terms, the PT-VMZ61 has the upper hand when it comes to its WUXGA resolution and laser light source. While some budget options might try to cut corners, this model truly delivers in every department. In conclusion, Panasonic's PT-VMZ61 WUXGA LCD laser projector is an exceptional solution for those who want the best visuals possible without compromise. If you're a business owner, marketing director, event planner, or educator, and you're planning to make a lasting impression on a large audience, this is an easy choice. Get the Panasonic PT-VMZ61 WUXGA LCD laser projector and start creating presentations that leave a lasting impression on your viewers.